Assalamualaikum dear student. It's me Mahbuba Binte Delwar, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics National Ideal Version School. Dear the student of class 5, I would like to welcome all of you. Our today's topic is exercise 7b, multiplication by decimal. Question number 1, sub number 1. First, the question is 20 multiplied by 2.4. First of all, we think that decimals were not there. For this, we will divide this 2.4 by 10 because after decimal here is one number. So, do here 20 multiplied by 24 by 10. We can write this way also, 20 multiplied by 24 bracket close divided by 10. Now multiply this one. Here is write 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 divided by 10. Now answer is 48. The answer is 48. Now question number 2, sub number 5. The question is 1.24 multiplied by 0.25. To do multiply, we think that as if decimals were not there. That's why we can write like this way, 1, 2, 4 multiplied by 2, 5. Now we will do multiply. 5 4s are 20, write 0 in your hand 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is equals to 12, write 2 in your hand 1. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Now give here 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now do here addition, 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. In your hand 1, 6 plus 4 is equals to 10 plus 1 is equals to 11, write here 1, in your hand 1, 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Now finally in the answer we will write the decimal, and first we will count after decimal how many numbers in total here. Here is after decimal 1 to 2 numbers, and here is after decimal 1 to 2 numbers. That means 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So we can write here, therefore 1.24 multiplied by 0.25 is equals to 3100. Here is the point. So we count 4 digits from the right to left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Give here the decimal and write here the 0. So the answer will be 0.31. Now page 88. The topic is division by decimal numbers. First one is question number 9, sub number 1. Question is 9 divided by 1.8. Dividend and divisor, both dividend and divisor by the same number. Because the question remains are same when I multiply both dividend and divisor by the same number. So here is after decimal 1 digits. So we can multiply both divisor and dividend by 10. So we write 9 divided by 18 multiplied by 10. Here is 9 divided by 18. That means 18, 9 here. So, write here a point, give here a 0, then 18 5s are 90. So, here is 0.5 multiplied by 10. So, the answer will be 5. Now, question number 11, sub number 8. Here is the question is 5.1 divided by 0.025. That means both divisor and dividend have the decimal point. For this reason, converted this divisor into a integer form. That's why we will multiply this 0.025 multiplied by 1000. Why 1000? After decimal here is 3 number. So, here is 3 0. When we multiply this one, then it will make 25. And 5.1 also multiplied by 1000. Because of all, the quotient remains the same when multiplying both dividend and divisor by the same number. Now, here is 5 1 1 5 1 0 0. So, we can write here 5 1 0 0 divided by 25. Here is 25 and here is 5100. Here is 25. So, 225 is equals to 50. Write here the 1. Came this 0 here. We can divide this 10 by 25. So, we can write here 0 and this 0 also write here. Now 100. So, 25 4s are 100. So, the answer will be 204. That's all for today. Hopefully see you soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.